Hello everyone. Today I want to share a traditional Chinese dish, 咸鸭 smoked duck. First, we need to defrost and clean the duck with water. Then bring 2/3 of a pot of water to the boil. Put the duck in the boiling water and blanch it for a few minutes. Rinse the duck and change it to a clean pot of water, then bring it to the boil. Pay attention that the water must fully cover the duck. After the water is boiled, turn to low heat and cook for about half an hour or so. We can prepare the seasoning during the cooking process. Grate ginger, and 2 or 3 teaspoons of chicken stock powder. If you like spicy food, you can add 1 or 2 teaspoons of chili sauce according to your own taste. Then add about 2 teaspoons of salt and finally add some oyster sauce. Of course, chicken stock and salt alone are the most traditional seasonings for this dish. Don't underestimate their ability to turn the ingredients into delicacies. Mix all the spice. When the time is up, we need to check if the duck is fully cooked. Insert a chopstick into the leg. When the chopstick is pulled out and no pin is in, it means it's done. Otherwise, you need to put it back in for longer. This pot of duck soup is so useful, don't throw it away. Later you can use it for noodles or dumpling filling. It's a good supporting ingredient. Be careful, the duck will be very hot. As soon as it is out of the pot, you need to coat it with seasoning. The hotter it is, the more flavor it will absorb. Be careful not to burn your hands or cut yourself on any sharp bones. Remember to massage well and don't forget to rub its inside also. The longer you massage it, the better it will taste. After the duck is completely cooled, we will pour some oil in the bottom of the wok. Then put in a piece of aluminium foil. This will make the wok easier to clean later. Now add a small handful of rice and a dash of oil. Put wood or bamboo chopsticks on top. You can then place the duck on the chopsticks. If you don't have the right size wok, you can cut the duck in half to make it fit. Cover it with the lid and start the fire for the last step of smoking. Pay attention to the wok and don't go anywhere. This will happen quickly. A glass lid is better as you can see what is happening. You smoke it for about 1 minute from when you start seeing smoke. Turn off the fire when the smoke turns pale yellow. This part is important. If it is smoked for too long, it will taste bitter and be rounded. Of course, you may only like lightly smoked duck, so try for a minute, then taste it. If it needs more, you can put it back on. You don't want to overdo it. Later, when you cook this dish, you can time it according to your taste. On our stove, we smoke it for about 1 minute and 10 seconds. After turning off the heat, wait until the smoke in the wok has cleared. You can then open the lid. It smells really fragrant. Now we can take it out. This duck was heavy, so the chopsticks are bent. Carefully take the tin foil out and throw it in the rubbish bin outside. You can wash and reuse the burnt chopsticks next time. This is the delicious smoked duck. Because I didn't use any filters filming this, it doesn't look so good, but it tastes great. Here is smoked duck made with traditional seasoning, only salt and chicken stock, so its color looks better. Today's duck we used chili oil and oyster sauce, which affects the color. Both are delicious but have a different appearance. Everyone can try it. It's very delicious and smells good. Friends, if you like this video, please click the like and subscribe buttons. There will be more cooking videos to share with you later. Thank you for watching.